Welcome to the PharmaLinkage platform, where managing user requests for your registered company is made simple. In this video, we'll guide you through the process. Step 1. Accessing the login page. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.pharmalinkage.com and click on Login button. It will land you on login screen. Step 2. Access Manage Users. Once logged in, click on Profile Picture on top right corner. It will open a drop-down where you can see Manage Users menu. Step 3. User Approval Process. By clicking on Manage Users, you will be landed on Manage Users listing page, where you can see all the list of users who requested for credentials approval. These users are from your company's different facilities. This list showing user information along with their current status. Step 4. Update Status. As an authorized company admin, you can active or inactive the user request whose request is pending by validating them using their contact information. Thank you for using PharmaLinkage platform to manage user requests for your registered company. If you have any further questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Drop us an email on wecare@pharmalinkage.com.